Hello. Here, let me record. Okay. Paperboy here. Go subscribe to Go subscribe to Cosmic Waffle.
AKA under my description box.
No, you don't know how to do the description thing.
I will learn.
Here, I'll type it in your description for you. So, this is like a collab between me and Paper over here, or I'm on his channel, so it's Paper and me.
Paper waffle.
So,
It's Paper Waffle.
yeah, the Waffle Boys.
Yeah, we're gonna make another channel called the Waffle Boys.
Yeah.
Ah!
Jeez, dude. So basically, this video is about how awful nature is.
I set the spark
I'm gonna the golden scepter.
You'll do something else while I get this in.
I have a sword or something. Hold on, move. Trying to hit that right there.
The golden splaxler.
Okay.
Is what I call it.
I didn't get it. Okay, I'll.
He's so far away.
I missed.
Because of how far away he is.
Watch out.
Hey, I'm busy.
I missed it.
Can I just cut?
I got a better idea.
Can I break the golden scepter in half?
No, never the golden scepter.
Yeah.
Fine, for views, just break it in half. Do it.
Holy balls!
Oh God, that was the cleanest cut for an axe I've ever seen.
Holy balls! I didn't even mean to do
Look
that.
at this piece. What would we? First comment gets this.
Now we have the golden
Nugget, and then the golden shorter scepter.
or the golden scepter. And I just peeled off some paint. And you will get a chance to have it without a bit of paint from us.
Not really. We don't know who you are, so we're not gonna send you this.
We will probably send it to you.
But comment anyways. Tell us how bad or good this video was.
And we threw the golden nugget away.
And yeah.
The golden nugget. I want the nugget.
Plane, I know you're up there. Shut up. Hold up.
You up there. Just putting this for views or something. Also, I am shipping a pane of glass right now.
Why would I be doing this for you views on your channel?
We recommend not doing this at home as well. Any of this.
Paper.
Paper waffles.
Paper boy, yay! Now where's the katana at? Don't break it there, you maniac!
It's right there in the branch.
Because
Why are you breaking my channel's name?
you're paper boy.
I will break waffles.
You don't know how to cook waffles. Speaking of which, I have a video that I'm about to post. Me just dropping an egg on a waffle. Whoa.
What?
There's just like a solid... Why is there paint all over this?